think that what makes Georgian Court's school psychology program different from other schools' experiences is going to be that faculty-student interaction. Being that we come from a small university, we want the students to develop relationships with the faculty, get engaged in research with faculty. We have friendships, collegial relationships with faculty, with the staff, with administration. So it really is a community of scholars here. So that small size, I think, is helpful in making sure that each student's needs are met and they get as many opportunities as they want to engage in the research process and as well as the practice aspect. Our advanced standing doctoral program is unique, is that program is a Psy.D program for practicing school psychologists who would like to come back and get their doctorate. There's only a few of these types of programs that we are aware of, but what it does is allows practicing school psychologists to continue in their role as professionals throughout the program while earning their doctorate in school psychology. I think that prospective students that come and speak to us find that the faculty is extremely engaged with the student population. We get to know them as people. We see them as people. We understand that they have lives outside of being a graduate student. And while these programs certainly are rigorous programs, they're going to find both a supportive faculty throughout our programs and a supportive cohort. The faculty in our school psychology program are all very engaged in the practice of school psychology. All faculty are engaged in the research process and are actively publishing in school psychology journals, presenting at national conferences, and engaged in our New Jersey Psychological Association that allows us to be in class and talking about content, talking about theory, talking about skill development, but also being able to use case examples from our own experiences to support student learning. That makes our classes more interactive, more engaging, and helps to support student learning.